Several women who say they were secretly recorded during intimate moments with one Nashville man are feeling a sigh of relief as legislation to get them justice is moving forward. Traxie Pigeon has more details this morning.
Well, Nikel, the bill is called the Voyeurism Victims Act. It aims to better the protections for victims of voyeurism and unlawful photography. This comes after at least 4 women say a man named Matthew Vollmer had been taking videos of their sexual interactions through what Metro Police say was a hidden camera inside an alarm clock. Vollmer is facing criminal charges in at least 1 case. This legislation would ensure voyeurism victims receive the same legal protections as those affected by sexual assault and human trafficking.
I didn't know much about lawyers, but I knew that could be a long and expensive process, with the best case scenario being that I would receive financial compensation from him. That didn't feel like justice for me. Due to the sheer volume of files this man had collected over the past 5 years, detectives weren't able to identify me in time to press charges, and I aged out of the statute while the detectives were dealing with the nearly 25,000 recovered files. Immediately, we knew there was a hole in the law, and we wanted to change that.
The bill is on notice in the House Criminal Justice Subcommittee at 9 o'clock this morning. If passed, the Voyeurism Victims Act would take effect on July 1st.